think for us it's really important to get back on the road and get the business running. I mean, if we are not going to do those kind of meetings, who else is supposed to do those meetings, right? I mean, we are like the tourism travel MICE industry, and if we are not going to be here, and if we are not going to try to make it happen, who else is going to do it? So it's really good to be here. I've been tied to this association for quite some time now, and I really like that it's like the ICCA family, that we are great relationship with one another, and that sharing knowledge and exchanging ideas is really in the focus on all ICCA events, and this is also true for this one. Like anybody is talking about data these days, right? You can't miss a session where digitalization and data and how to deal with this is not really in the topic. So for us it's really cool to offer the only custom and industry specific CRM system, so we'll help destinations of keeping track of their data, of getting not just the data into their system but also inside out of the data, right? Because I think this is probably more important than actually collecting the data, is what you're going to do with this, and this is where we can help those destinations to be successful in the end. That the business is still alive probably, that we are trying to make it work, and that there might be some obstacle along the way, but we'll survive in the end. Thank you ICCA, and thank you Malaga Convention Bureau for having us here today and for hosting this conference.